Hi, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. I am so glad you're here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and today I want to get started and share with you CVS best deals. Well, actually, we're just going to go through the ad. This ad will start October 27 to November 2nd. That will be this Sunday. Thanks to iHeart CVS for providing the ad and the photo. Credit to Savvy Coupon Shopper. That way, we're able to get it early on in the week. So let's get started. As you know, there's a lot of great deals showing on the first page, a lot of candy, vitamins on the side, the water, which we love at this price at $2.49. We used to see it a lot less before, but $2.49 it has been a fair price recently. And then this section, buy 20 and get spend 20 and get 5 ECB. I love to share the best deals, but also I'm doing another video that I'm going to the store with my printable list, since I like to offer a printable list on the best deals at CVS. So if you're new, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. And if there's some great scenarios, deal ideas from this section, I will provide and include that in that video. So let's continue on. There's a lot of candy on special, three for three, buy one get one 50% off. And as we continue, it's all candy offers. Sadly, in the ad, a lot of those spots are not so clear, but luckily we could tell that it's three items, so it's going to be 3 for 3, and you're going to get a ECB of $1. This week there is an instant coupon, a CRT printing for everybody, that it says Hershey's single candy. And as you can see here, it says assorted candy single. So you will be able to use that CRT. So deducting that CRT, you will pay 2. And then you will get back 1 ECB, making it 33 cents for each single candy. So hold on to that CRT so then you can take advantage of this deal here. Let's continue. We see a lot of snacks are going to be on special. There is Nature Valley coupons, Fiber One coupons as well. I love when there's the journal on special. We used to get so many good coupons for these, but hopefully we start getting some of those coupons again. We continue more deals for food items, and wow, this ad has a lot of items shown. So this section here continues. We'll see if mix and match to see if I find a good deal idea. This one is going to be buy one get one free. This is all Mighty Packs and Snuggle, and it says we should be getting a coupon, so I'll check out to see if that's a good deal. This one is going to be $2.44 after the coupon, and there's a nice section here showing that if you spend 25 you get 7 ECB. So this looks like a pretty good section to check out. Now we're going to the cosmetics, and this section here is hard to, I think it's Kiss, I think this is Milani cosmetics. And then we have Elf, spend 8 get 3, Physicians Formula, spend 20 get 8, CoverGirl, spend 12 get 5. I did get a CRT for CoverGirl, but it spent 15 to get 3 off. Rimmel Cosmetics, it says buy 2 get 5. We have a coupon, but it's only for eye products, and that coupon will deduct $2 off 1. So if you're able to use that coupon, you could buy eye products, and I see them as low as $4.99. And using 2 of those coupons for Rimmel and getting back that ECB, it should come out to like 49 cents. So that looks like a pretty good deal. This one I'm excited about. This one is a mystery offer. We're going to be getting a mystery coupon for Revlon Cosmetics, and any Revlon Cosmetics is going to be on special. Spend 10 get 4. It's hard to tell if the limit is of 6, and if it is, let's say the CRT is just $2. Let's just say the CRT is $2, then doing a deal idea for the lipstick, then that will come out to free with using that BOGO coupon. And they say the CRT is $2, it should come out to free. If you purchase one of the face items like concealer for $9.99, use a coupon deducting 5. And let's say the mystery coupon is $2, then you pay $2.99, you get back 4, making it free, and $1.01 money maker. So this will be a nice money maker, and that's if that CRT is $2. Normally we see it for 3 or a lot higher, but I noticed that this week we got one for 2. So that's why I'm saying just in case it's 2. And even with that, it would just be $1.01 money maker. Any Maybelline Cosmetics buy 2 get 5. We just got coupons this Sunday. There's also some cashback offers in Saving Stars. So select those cashback offers and link your card from CVS. That way you earn a lot of money back to make these items a lot less. And I will work on any deal idea for them. I remember this was on special not so long ago. This is what an item I was buying. This one is buy one get one 40% off, and most of the face products are buy one get one 40% off. Beano as well. We were just getting these masks almost free with that nice CRT we got the other Sunday. This one says select, so this means only certain items from Yes To includes facial or acne care, and I believe it says 10, spend 10 get 7. So if you buy 3 masks, I remember I did a deal idea for this last week because I received a CRT deducting 5 off 10. So be on the lookout if you get any CRTs. The masks are normally $3.59, so you'll buy 3 and getting 7 ECB back, it will be $1.26 each. So that looks like a good idea, deal idea. The body lotion, those coupons are going to expire, so I don't think that will be a good deal. Jergens moisturizer, this is selected, so it's not any, but let's say we get the wet skin and the ultra healing. Right there we reached about $12. We use 1 coupon each. Those coupons we do have, they are a limit of 1, so that's why I'm trying to see if we can mix and match, get 2 different items. If you have a CRT for moisturizer or lotion for $3, you will pay about $6.58. You'll get back for ECB, and it will come out to like $1.29 for each, so that could be a pretty good deal. Continuing to go down, we see Tresemme is going to be buy 1 get 1 50% off, and you need to buy 3 to get 5. Pantene, this is a big bottle, and this one is going to be 3 for $15. It says that you're gonna get back 4 ECB, and you could use a coupon deducting 5, so the total will be $6 for 3. But if you have any CRTs for hair products, it will deduct 3, and it will make it just $1 each. So that's a pretty good deal for the big bottle of Pantene. And we continue. I wish this was you getting back an ECB, but it looks like it's a manufacturer. So that one I will pass if that's a manufacturer. So we continue looking at the ad. We see a sheet razor spend 25 get 10, and then we also see Gillette and Venus buy 2 get 8. We also see select men's skincare. This is also selected, spend 12 get 4, and I believe that coupon expires on Saturday. We have Dove body wash. It does say you're gonna get an ECB, making it 12. Then also the Nivea here, it will be $2.99. Irish Spring will be 5, and even if you use a body wash CRT, we'll make it like $1.50 each. Olay, this one could be very expensive. I seen Olay for $8.99, almost $9. And if you, in here is going to be 2 for $11, so that's a pretty good price. We're going to be getting coupons. I thought the coupon was $1 off 1. So if it's $1 off 1 and you have any CRT for body wash, this could come out to $7 or about $3.50 each. So I think that's a pretty good deal for them. Some of these are a little bit too high. It looks like we are skipping those free products, and most of my CRTs are not low anymore for Colgate or Crest or Oral-B. I'm barely getting those, and if I am, they're pretty high up. So we continue looking at the ad, and now we see the halls, I don't think we're going to be getting a coupon for it. I've been searching, but this could be a pretty good deal just on its own. Breathe Right also could be a good deal as well. That's an item that we sometimes purchase and it could get very pricey. Emergency is only cough and supplements. So we continue with the ad and we see this section is selected gold bond diabetics. I believe we're going to be getting gold bond coupons on this Sunday's paper. This one, guys, is interesting. Ludens, buy any two select personal care, pain, or gas relief, and you will get 3 ECB, and it's buy one get one 50% off. We're going to be getting coupons. We're going to be getting coupons for the regular one, and we're also going to be getting coupons for another option that they have. That one is called melatonin. If you get the melatonin, I've seen it in my store at $3.49. That will come out to 37 cents each. But if you get the regular bag, which is, I believe, this one, I don't know what the size may be, but it says any. Once you buy two, we're going to be getting a coupon. I've seen it in my store for $2.49. After the ECB, it should come out to free. So this could be a freebie right here. So keep an eye on that deal. Summer's Eve, we're also going to be getting coupons this Sunday. So I'm going to check out which coupons and so I can match and create a good deal. This deal I love. This one is buy one get one 50% off, buy two get two, and it's any. And I seen it in my store for $179, I believe. If that's the price I've seen it, the other one, $169, the other one's going to be half off. Even if you don't have coupons, once you get the $2 ECB, it will be just 18 cents. That's crazy, 18 cents. If you have CRTs for Kotex or anything that has to do with pads, hold on to that, because then that will be a nice money maker. So in this section, we got some almost freebies right there. And this is pretty much the ad. This is the same item I shared earlier, and the Sally Hansen's, man, it's been a long time since I don't see coupons. So but there's going to be ECB for that deal, and this is the ad. So I wanted to share with you because there's a lot of great deals. Let me know if you guys are excited for me to do my best deals, but also go in store and also with the printables. If you have any questions or anything you're excited about, just let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye.